in the Karnataka High Court, where the bench have dismissed a family court petition of the district court stating that there is no urgency in the matter, where the jurisdictional police have to look into the facts and should be dismiss the petition as per the facts of the case, where the respondent files in the district court stating that she is the wife of her husband who is working in Australia and who earns 8 lakhs per annum, and she demands for 1 lakh as alimony and also as maintenance and also divorce and the district court, and she also filed 498A FIR against him. Well, where the petitioner contests to the High Court stating that to dismiss this petition, whereas the records of Dharmasthala High Court, Dharmasthala of Temple Management did not possess any solemnized marriage certificates, records, proofs, or evidences, where the marriage have taken place in the Bangalore, in some place only by exchanging garlands, whereas in Hindu Marriage Act, exchanging garlands will not count as marriage. In Hindu marriage customs and traditions, Saptapadi should be maintained, followed as customized a practice in Hindu marriage law, where Saptapadi and Mangal Sutra and Sindoor and some steps are need to be fulfilled in a marriage, where any one of them did not took place in this marriage, where the petitioner in the High Court praised to the High Court bench, stating that it is an illusionation marriage in the eyes of the respondent, where she filed for 98A and filed for degree of divorce, maintenance, alimony, and along with punishment too. So, the High Court bench clearly observes and dismiss the petition of wives respondents, where there are no proofs of evidences properly presented in lower court nor in High Court. So, on this basis, the High Court bench have dismisses stating that there is no urgency of dragging the matter and allowing the maintenance to the respondent as per the false documentation produced in the district court, and she was asking for maintenance, alimony, divorce on the false grounds, where the bench observes that the marriage is eligible for cancellation of marriage. It won't counts under the proper marriage Hindu Marriage Act, where on the grounds of the rules and regulations the bench dismisses the petition. ఇక్కడ మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాల్సింది ఏంటంటే, ఒక హిందూ మ్యారేజ్ యాక్ట్ ఈ సోలమ్నైజ్ చేయాలి అంటే దే షుడ్ బి ప్రాపర్ యాక్ట్ రూల్స్ రెగ్యులేషన్స్ should be followed, need to be followed in the Hindu Marriage Act. Not only in the Hindu Marriage Act, Muslim Marriage Act అయినా, హిందూ మ్యారేజ్ యాక్ట్ అయినా, క్రిస్టియన్ మ్యారేజ్ యాక్ట్ అయినా, వాళ్ళ కల్చర్, వాళ్ళ రిలీజియన్ యొక్క రూల్స్ ప్రకారం వాళ్ళు ఫాలో చేస్తే దట్ మ్యారేజ్ విల్ బీ సోలమ్నైజ్డ్. లేకపోతే ఇఫ్ దే డోంట్ ఫాలో ఎనీ స్టెప్స్, ఇఫ్ దే డోంట్ ఫాలో ఎనీ రూల్స్ అండ్ రెగ్యులేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ దేర్ religion, their subcaste, రూల్స్ అండ్ రెగ్యులేషన్స్ యొక్క కమ్యూనిటీ యొక్క యాక్ట్ మ్యారేజ్ యాక్ట్స్ని ఎవరైతే ఫాలో చేయకుండా ఇఫ్ ద జస్ట్ లైక్ దట్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ గార్లెండ్స్ కమ్స్ అండర్ మ్యారేజ్ అండ్ దే కెన్ ఫైల్ ఇన్ టు ద డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ కోర్ట్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ద హై కోర్ట్ అంటే that kind of petitions will be dismissed without any mercy. సో వివాహం చేసుకోవడానికి కానీ ఎనీ రిలేషన్ ఫామ్ లీగల్ రిలేషన్ ఫామ్ చేయాలంటే దే షుడ్ బి సమ్ రూల్స్ అండ్ రెగ్యులేషన్స్ where in every citizen, every educated citizen should know about the rules and regulations of any act or any marriage where they are going to perform or where they are going to live. So kindly look into the facts, acts, rules, regulations, customs, religion, and especially justice. If you follow the justice, if you maintain the justice, if you live with the justice and the rule of law, you will get the justice without breaking the rules of law. Law is meant on the basis of rules, evidences, where money cannot be a ultimate ఒక ప్రొవిజన్ కాదు. మనీతోటి ఏదైనా పర్చేస్ చేసి రూల్స్ అండ్ ఎవిడెన్సెస్ని ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేయగలుగుతాము ఇన్ ద కోర్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్ ద లోయర్ కోర్ట్స్ ఆర్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ కోర్ట్స్ అంటే రూల్స్ will be maintained as proof of evidences, where proof of evidences, if not produced properly, then if there is no justification in the rules and regulations as in the form of evidences, any case will be dismissed without any mercy with the proof of evidences, or any negligence or any delay in the petition will also be dismissed in eyes of the bench, either whether it is high court, whether it is district court. And finally, I am not IA. I am a human being. I am an advocate. So kindly don't mention me in the message box stating that, Madam, your voice is an IA and all. I am an advocate of Telangana. So kindly check into the facts while you just leave a comment to senior advocates of Telangana. Thank you.